Hi, friends! Are you ready to have fun and learn some action words today? Verbs are special words that tell us what we do. Are you ready? Let's go! Go. I go to school every morning. Come. Look, the puppy comes to me when I call. Eat. I eat pizza and apples. Drink. I drink water. Play. I play with my toys and friends. Sleep. I sleep at night in my cozy bed. Run. I run in the park with my friends. Walk. I walk to the store with Mom. Read. I read my favorite book. Write. I write my name in letters. Talk. I talk to my best friend every day. Listen. I listen to music and stories. Jump. I jump up and down when I'm happy. Sit. I sit at my desk in class. Stand. I stand when the teacher says hello. Open. I open my book to read. Close. I close my eyes when I sleep. Look! I look at the stars at night. Smile. I smile when I see my friends.